Hello, I'm Jodie Sangster, CEO of ADMA, and welcome to the Q&A on compliance. There are three core rules under the Spam Act. So if you are sending a commercial communication, these are the three rules that you must make sure that you abide by. The first one is that you have the appropriate consent in order to be able to send the electronic communication to the individual. And if you want more information on that, then listen to our FAQ on the type of consent you need for email marketing. The second thing you need is to include within that email communication accurate sender information. And that's information whereby the individual knows your company and who you are and how to contact you in an easy way. What you can't do is just put in an email address, email address, which is not going to be responded to for 5 days. That is not, that's not going to meet the requirements of the legislation. It has to be that it is something that is easy for the individual to use, is going to be a core communication for the business to respond to quickly, and make sure that that communication line between the business and the consumer is truly open. And then the third requirement is that you have to have a functional unsubscribe facility, and this is really important and where many companies fall down. Every single email communication and electronic communication that goes out has to have a functional unsubscribe facility, and that means that when the recipient receives the email, there is a way for them to say, I do not want to receive any further email or electronic communications from you. It has to be easy to use. I would highly recommend that it's the same channel by which they receive the communication, that they can respond to the communication. And it has to be functional. So it has to actually work. And one of the hurdles that business put in place is that they try and make the unsubscribe quite difficult for the individual. So you have to sign into a website and fill this in and all these various different kind of steps that the individual needs to take. That is not going to be seen as a functional unsubscribe facility. It needs to be simple, it needs to be easy, and the individual needs to be able to do it within 2 or 3 very, very easy steps.